Hello friends, good afternoon, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. Guys, today I have a thought that I have been seeing that what happens because of generation gap that that's okay that it becomes the generation gap, but there should not be gap of talking to each other. There should not be gap of conveying any message to others which is good for society. That that we expect so much uh, from our children to do something new and something good, that it should shine our name, it should get name and fame. So after that we start teaching them something else. Okay, but when they grow up, so sometimes we have a problem of ego actually, that we want everyone just who is with us that they should work hard and they should actually catch up with us. But if anybody tries to catch up with us and they catch up, after that just if they grow up, so we mind also. So I have a very nice story about it, actually, that I want to destroy the generation gap, and as well as just I want you all to be civilized, and I want your children to be disciplined. And for this, just we should make them pious, sacred, religious, and compassionate. That there should be some emotions about their family members. If they have emotions about their relations, that they could have, means they must have emotion for their country also. So I have little bit story, and I request you all guys, please like my channel, share, and just press the bell icon. And if I commit any mistake, just pardon me and send me messages to what I have committed mistake in this. So I have a story. Just there was a child, not child, just he was a young boy and his father was there. So actually what happened, that it was dark in it was dark in the room. So what happens is boy entered boy entered thank you. Boy entered boy entered and after that what happens, that his father came, because he didn't know just who is inside. So he came and just he put his hand on his shoulder like that, just I have heard. Okay, I have. So you know what, that and father asked his son that, tell me one thing, who are you? So he said, okay, he told just I am, he means he spoke his name. So he came to know that he is my son. So after that, what happens, that he says, okay, tell me one thing, that who is the most powerful person of this world? So the son said, I am the most powerful person of this world. So father just he realized that somewhere he have committed mistake. So he was upset and just he started going from there. When he came to the door, then again he thought, okay, I should ask once. So he asked, okay, now tell me that who is the most powerful of the world, most powerful man of the world? He says that you are my father, you are the most powerful person of the world. So you know what, that father asked him that, when I asked first that you told me that you are the most powerful person of the world, after that you are saying that I am the most powerful person of the world. So he said, okay, tell me father, means he made his father understand that, tell me father, that when you are asking me, means while asking me, just you put your hand on my shoulder. So if the hand of one's father on his or her shoulder, so that person is the most powerful person of the world. Okay, but when you left me and you were there, so then I said, just you are my real hero and you are the most powerful person of the world. So try to understand that we need, means everybody expect their son to be like that. And that we should not be this type of parents that we are ignoring their qualities, we are ignoring their skills. We need to understand their skills, and we need to sit with them and let them sit with us. Just whatever is in your mind, just share with them, and that what is going in their mind, just you know uh, insist them on putting their views with you. So this is my perception, and just with my son, I am saying this. He is my child, Mr. Shreyansh, Shreyansh Patel. He is very cute. So guys, please like and share it, because you know that we need our nation to be more civilized. The children are the future of the country. Thank you very much.